Hello students, let us try to solve some problem based on the NEET 20, no, for NEET 2022. What the question, student? Question number 1 is there, which one of the following contain ionic, covalent and coordinate bond? These things are there. We need to find that which one is. Up now student, if you talk about NaOH, so this is the purely covalent bond student. This is the Na plus and OH minus. This bond is formed by the transfer of electron. So this is going to be what student? Ionic bond. NaCl, again you can see student NaCl, this is plus and minus. This is again going to be ionic. If we talk about the Na student, NaCN, so NaC triple bond N is there, and here is the plus, and this is going to be student minus. So that is ionic and covalent. This is the ionic and covalent. But here they are asking that is ionic, covalent and coordinate. Now see student, NaCN. If you talk about the NaCN friend, so you see here, you can take out the sodium. This is the one electron is going to be transferred here to the N atom, and here is C. So here double bond C is there. Here will be the coordinate bond. This is plus and going to be the minus here. So that is what NaCN if you talk about. So this is the coordinate bond where the lone pair electron transfer to the carbon. Okay, and this is plus minus, this is going to be ionic, right? And what about these two bonds are there, that is going to be covalent. So our correct answer will be option number D, student. Now let us try to understand the answer is already there. NaCN, the compound NaCN, so three of that ionic because they have charge, covalent and coordinate bond. So our required is, you know, NaNC, sodium isocyanate. Now let us try to understand some problem number 2, student. What is the, which of the following, which of the following has covalent bond? They are asking the covalent bond, student. So that is we are having the option Na2S is there, AlCl3 is there, NaH is there, and MgCl2 is there, right? So when you talk about this, student, this one, so this is the sodium hydride plus minus, so this is the completely ionic. Okay, MgCl2, it is also going to be ionic, student, because this size is, according to this question, is based on the Fajan rule, friend. This is based on Fajan rule. So that is here the charge of the cation is small, but the anion is going to be large. Okay, so that is going to be ionic. But here you see, student, charge is how much? Plus 3 is there. Here is plus 2. And more positive charge, greater, what the rule is saying, greater positive charge, right, student? Greater positive charge, more polarization, more polarization, greater positive charge, more polarization, and greater covalent. This is going to be greater covalent character. Okay, greater covalent character. Up now it is greater covalent character. It means this is the, here is plus 1 is there. So what is more positive charge is there in the aluminum in case of AlCl3. So required answer will be option number, this is B, student. Okay, let us read out the slides. What is there? We know that Al3 plus cation is smaller than Na plus because of greater nuclear charge. According to Fajan rule, small cation polarize anions up to greater extent. Therefore, AlCl3 has covalent bond between aluminum and chlorine. So that is our answer will be option number B, friend. So now let us try to move out the next problem, student. They are saying the question is what? Why is metallic bonding different from ionic or covalent bonding? Okay, they are saying that is why metallic bonding is different from covalent bonding. So dear friend, if you talk about the metallic bonding, okay, let us see the concept of metallic bonding. So if you talk about metallic bonding, the big explanation is electron C model, right? Electron C model. For metallic bonding, the best explanation is electron C model. And what about the electron C model? That is, suppose Fe is atoms are there, so many. So that is, it is surrounded by, that is the electrons. And these electrons are delocalized electron, that we have to keep in mind. So this is the case of metallic bonding. They are having what is, student, delocalized electron. Okay, this is the delocalized electron. And if you talk about the ionic or covalent, okay, ionic or covalent. So ionic is what, Na plus. They are, these electron non delocalized. Or even you talk about hydrogen. These electrons are purely between the orbital. So they are having covalent. This is the covalent. Okay. So what is happening, student? Non-delocalized. Non-delocalized. Non-delocalized means what? Or you can say localized electron. Localized electron. Okay, localized electron. So let us read out the slides. What are mentioned in the slides, friend? It is different to determine the number of valence electron involved in metallic bond. It is difficult to determine the number of valence electron involved. This is not correct, student. Number of electron is okay. Okay. Next one, metallic bonding is only type of bonding that involve metal atom. Okay, that is also not the difference. Okay, this is not going to be difference. Okay, next one, the valence electron is metallic bond or delocalized, while valence electron in ionic and covalent bond localized. So correct option is option number C. Metallic bond are rare while ionic bond. This is not the answer, student. So correct answer is option number C. Let us see here. The valence electron in metallic bond are